What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we are super excited because me and my boy are gonna vinyl his car. We've been talking about this vinyl wrap for a long time now. He just pulled the trigger on the color. The car looks like this right now. It's a black silica, metallic, false culture. That's our team right here in Spokane. There's Bay. Just prepped it. So you ready to get started or what?
Yeah, let's get this done.
All right. We're just gonna show kind of like progress on each little video edit and show you guys the ending, so stay tuned. First step is pretty big step. It's done. We took the bumper off right here. And this is what the car looks like right now. To do a legit job, we're gonna go ahead and took all the vinyl in these corners on the inside. So we took the headlights off. Pretty easy, pretty simple. Just part out the whole front end. I bet you're kind of nervous there. Look how it looks. You never seen your car this way. I don't know. But so what Austin's gonna do right now, he's gonna air dry this joint. What's up, guys? So we have finished 2 fenders so far. So a few hours later, we have the front bumper, the hood scoop, and the fenders all finished. Went ahead and did the roof. Check this out. Car's pretty much all together. I'm digging it. I'm sure Austin's gonna love it when he gets off of work. What is up, guys? So as you can see behind me, we finally finished this car and it's freaking dope. I'm right here with the guys. We decided to meet up for a little photo shoot, but I wanted to take advantage to just show you guys the car, the end product. My boy is super excited. He's happy about his Nardo Gray STI, and I just want to show you guys how it came out. So check this out. So this is our team false culture out here in Spokane. But look at how this 6 piston calipers. Look. So I just want to do an official walk around of the car. So I'm gonna be doing like car reviews of all of the team's cars. As you can see, the lineup is pretty fucking dope. The Nardo STI, we have my car. We have this cool, clean TS right here, BRZ. The hatchback collection over here. This is our boy Caleb, Nate, and our boy David. And right now they are shooting the white STI over here. This one I also wrapped. So check it out, guys. So I wrapped this car right here. The customer only wanted these accents done. So we wrapped this one. You guys remember this one, this hatchback, the Tiffany blue mint. We wrapped that one. This one is gonna get wrapped as soon as it gets a new bumper. This is gonna be a cool, fun wrap because we're gonna wrap this one half wrap. This is gonna be a half wrap, and then these two are done. So I did a video on this one. This one has the carbon fiber hood and the carbon fiber roof wrap. But yeah, guys, look at our lineup. This is fucking sick. And this is the squad.
What's up, fam?
Again, thank you for liking, subscribing. Currently we are like at 970 plus subscribers. We're about to hit our 1,000 subscribers, and I'm super excited and I'm blessed. I told you guys that on one of my videos that I'm gonna stop doing this when it's not fun anymore. And so far, like I said, I've met new people. Everywhere I go, we meet new people, we network, and we're gonna continue doing this. So I'll catch you guys on the next one, and yep, peace.